Hey, so I am possibly entertaining the idea of doing junk journal January. So last night I made this journal and I'm thinking I may use this for it, or I may use this TN that I have not used yet. And I've had this for a while. So I have either a dot grid, 2 dot grids in here. And that's the jump band. There's a jump band. So I have either 2 dot grids I could use if I wanted to, but I may just save this for something else. And I don't like the way that's crinkling up like that. So I may use that one, but I'm probably gonna use this one because I like this size better. It's like less real estate. So I made a flip-flop journal. And here is one of my covers, because as you know, it could flip and flop, and so the cover can change. So I got out my wax seals last night, and I wax sealed my initial. I just used some stickers I have from like Pen Pals, Wishes, stickers I bought from Temu, paper and stuff I got from Temu. So it's just like a combination of stuff, washi tape, but I made this into a pocket. I made it into a pocket, and I just did, usually I like to use double-sided paper, but since this is I just used what I had, so I didn't want to print out any more stuff or print out any printables. I just used what I had. And I had these single-sided little small sheets, and this is perfect for the size that I like to use, which is a 6x4. And these papers fit perfectly. You just have to fold them in half. And I have like 4 different sets of these papers. I'm not sure which sets are which, but and then I used I just kind of did a belly band, and I just decorated the back. So I'll stick some of my ready to have papers, and I use like washi tapes, pat tapes, girl stickers. And again, more pat tapes and sticker paper and just stuff that I have. And this is a little pocket as well. And another one of those. This is more like kind of sea mermaid type theme. I can't remember what the other thing was, but this one's pretty obvious. And like I said, I pretty much kind of tried to use like the same elements. Took what I had, little butterfly stickers, pet tapes. I ran out of my film pet tape yesterday. These are my last pieces. Like a lot of stuff ran out yesterday, like a few of my washi tape rolls. But I mean, that's what it's there for, right? And this is like another pocket and can function as a cover if I wanted it to. And of course, I just kind of tried to use like some of the same elements to make it match more. And this is reusable sticker paper. I used one of my old, well, it's not old. I used a brand new sheet. It's like a vinyl sticker sheet. I don't really like the sticker paper that much. So I was okay with like sacrificing one of the pages to make this. And like this way I can have like some stickers already ready in here when I decide to work in it. And this is another one of those papers, because pretty much it has 4 inserts and another sticker reusable sticker sheet. And I just did a decoration on this page. I didn't add a pocket or anything. I just did a little collage. And then another insert, signature, or however you want them. I thought about leaving all the strings and then going down and doing a bunch of charms, but I don't really personally like that. Like, this was pushing it for me, putting these charms in here, because I know it's going to annoy me probably. This is another pocket. And, you know, I just did like some simple background. And now we're back to the front again. And like, I printed out a few things from the Get Messy printable that came with it. And I, of course, printed out the prompts and the, those who will be, the collaborators. So I can put them in here. And I'm actually going to put them in that pocket so I can take them out as I want. Just in the event that if I don't use this journal. But if I do, I'm probably not going to do all the prompts. Like, I'll do the ones. So it'll be like a collaboration of like the junk journal January, just like regular junk journaling. That's why I didn't specifically put junk journal January. I just put junk journal because some of the prompts I'll probably skip, like the ones I don't like, or the ones that just like I can't figure out what to do for them. So I'll do probably like partially junk journal January and just partially just junk journaling in overall. And so like these are some of the printables that they gave us, the free printable. I just scaled it down on my computer. I just did it to have 2 on each page, so it made it half the size of the full page, because since my journal's smaller, I didn't want the full page pieces. And these are what they look like. Some of them are torn, so I'll tear them like as I go. I didn't want to try to cut them torn, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not sure if I'll use all the pieces, but I printed them out so I can put them in side, because like even this one is still a little too big, so I may even rip this now. And like, or I may not use that piece at all, because I'm not super partial to that piece. And then these are just some photos that I printed out myself that I may use inside. But that is it. That is my this will be my contribution to junk journal January. So there you have it.